Should I start? I told you already, problem I'll be starting 1 hour it is required, you have to maintain the timings. But still you people are not maintaining the timings. Enter your register numbers in message box. I'll come to the timings. Right. Anyway, that is their problem. So I am helpless. That's it. Right. Right. So in this I told you already you have the 3 problems. One is called the Knapsack problem. Assignment problem. Transportation problem. Now first one is called the Knapsack problem. So here is question is simple. Right. Write the question. Solve the Knapsack problem. Solve the Knapsack problem using branch and bound technique.
Sir, can you share the screen?
Oh, sorry. But you didn't save only. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Then what were you doing till now? Branch and bound, you have 3 problems. One is called the Knapsack problem, one is called the assignment problem, another one is called the transportation problem. So first one is called the Knapsack problem. Write it. Solve the Knapsack problem using the branch and bound technique. So you have the item, weights, value. 1, 2, 3, 4. Weights are 4, 7, 5, 3. Values are 10, 6, 5, 4. Capacity double is equal to 10. Once you copy the question, tell me, then I'll move to the next sheet. One, two, three,
Copy,
four,
sir.
four,
Copy, sir.
7,
Copy.
5, 3, 10, 6, 5, 4. Capacity W is equal to 10.
Copy, sir.
Copy it, huh?
Yes, sir.
I told you to enter when you are entering into the class in message box. Priyanka, all of you enter your register number in message box. Based on that one only, I will give the attendance. Right. Next one. Already I told you, 3 problems are there in this. Same problems only will be giving in the examination also. So try to learn properly. Write the solution. Item, as you know that 1, 2, 3, 4. See, when you are solving your problem, if you have half page or quarter page, leave it and move to the next sheet. So entire problem, try to write it in the same page so that you will not get any confusion while copying the values. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and weights. 4, 7, 5, 3. Value 40, 42, 25 and 12. So sometimes they will give you dollar for values. So that is also okay. Uh, So if they are giving dollar also no problem. If they are not giving dollar also don't worry. So you consider only the values. That's it. Okay.
Sir, Arjun, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, why you took different values, sir, here?
Huh?
You took different values. Like previously, you took no 10, 6, 5, 4, that values. Now you took 40, 42, like 25.
Oh, okay. Right. I have done wrong. Huh? I copied only problem only wrong. Sorry. So not 10 this. This is 40. 40. This is nothing but 42. This is nothing but 25. This is nothing but 12. All of you change the values. Huh? 40, 42, 25, 12. 40, 42, 25, 12. In your notes also, in your notes, you change it the values. 40, 42, 25, 12. Okay, shall I move to next page? Problem, you have to write this one only 40, 42, 25, 12. Capacity is W. I have done values entered wrong. Okay, so now 40, 12, 25, 12. Okay, right. Next, V divided by W. V divided by W. How much now? 40 divided by 4, 10. 42 divided by 7, 6. 5 divided by 5, 5. And 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 means
4.
4. This is nothing but dollar. Don't worry for that. Okay. This is also dollar. Even if you are not writing also okay. If you write also okay. No problem. This is also dollar. Dollar is nothing but currency, their meaning, that's all. Now, what you have to do is, you have to calculate the upper bound. So, W capacity is equal to 10. You write it here. Now, you have to calculate the upper bound family. Calculate the upper bound formula. The upper bound formula is upper bound formula UB is equal to V plus capital W minus small w. V of I plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1. V of I plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1. This is called the capital W. This is called the small w. Okay. This is what the formula. Based on this, you will be calculating. Just 10 to 15 minutes try to concentrate, otherwise at least 5 minutes, then you can able to solve it. So if you are not able to solve it, you have to listen entire problem. So now just put one box here. So initially 0, that means what? Item 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So we are starting the iteration 0. So W is equal to 0. V is equal to 0. And upper bound you have to calculate it. Upper bound formula already have given. UB is equal to, just leave one second, listen, you can copy it here. V. Can you able to see the mouse? Can you able to see the mouse? Hello?
Yes, sir.
V. So V is nothing but the value. So initially value is, we have not taken anything, that is called the 0. Listen one second, then you can copy it. Plus W, capital W. Capital W is nothing but this one, 10. Minus small w, initially we have taken 0, that is called the 0. V of I plus 1, I is equal to 0 iteration, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 means V1. So V1 is equal to 40 divided by W of I is nothing but 4. 40 divided by 4, that is nothing but 10 here. Already I have entered here. So if you want, you can write it 40 divided by 4, otherwise you can write it 10 here. Okay? So directly I'll write it called 10 here. So now that is equal to 0 plus 10 into 10, that is equal to 100. I'll tell you once again here, this is nothing but 0 plus W is nothing but 10 minus small w is nothing but 4. Initially here you have taken 0. Actually first iteration is nothing but 0. We are starting with the 0. So that is called the 0 into V of I plus 1 plus divided by W of I plus 1. So V of I plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. So V1 divided by W1. So V1 divided by W1, already I have calculated here. V1 divided by W. So that is nothing but the 10 here. So that otherwise we can write it 40 divided by 4, that is equal to 10. So that is what this one. Any doubt this?
No, sir.
Even if you want, I'll write it here. UB is equal to, once again I'll write it, or this one. 0, 10 minus 0 into 40 divided by 4. This is nothing but V plus, this is nothing but W, small w, into Vi plus 1, V 0 plus 1 divided by W 0 plus 1. This is nothing but this one. Any doubt this? Once you know this problem almost over. This is nothing but V0 plus 1 is nothing but V1 divided by W0 plus 1 is nothing but V1, W1, V1 divided by W1. So that is nothing but already I have calculated this. This is what this one. Now what you have to do is, one is with the W1 and one is called without W1. You have to do it. Write it here now. With 1. Now you have to calculate the values here. This is nothing but with 1 here. With 1. Okay. So with 1, this is you copied it here. All of you copied. I'll move to next one now. With
Yes,
one
sir.
is nothing but, see here, when I'm calculating, just listen, then you can copy it. I'll give some more time. So W1 with one is nothing but this one. Item is included one. So brute force techniques, we have done it already. The combinations you have written 1, 2 separate, 3 separate, 4 separate. Next 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Next 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Next is 1, 2, 4. The remaining combinations you have done. The similarly you have to do it here also combinations. Now your capacity is nothing but 4. So you have to select the combinations with this one is to get the maximum capacity is 10, but you have to get the more properties here. So now you have 4 plus 7, if you add it, no use because 11. So next 4 plus 5, 9, you will be getting the 65 here. 4 plus 3, if you add it, so you will get how much? 52 only. Next, similarly, you take it to 5 plus 7, 7 plus 5 not possible, 7 plus 3 possible, 42 plus 12, 54 only you will get it. Next 5, 3, you check it out combinations. So finally, which combinations you will get more profit with respect to the W weights sets? Arjun,
Sir, 7-3.
7?
3.
7, 3, how much? 42 plus 12? 7 plus 3, 12. I have added the values, 42
Sir,
plus
4,
12.
5. Sir, sorry. Sir,
4, 5. How much?
sir, 60.
65. That is your answer. Huh? How to get it? Well, I'll tell you now. So now with 1. With 1 is nothing but you have to add it. W is equal to 4. V is equal to 40. Write it here now. V is equal to, W is equal to 4. V is equal to 40. Now we have to write the upper bound. UB. I'll write it here only. UB is equal to, listen 1 second here. What is the formula? V. What is the value here? Arjun, can you able to see my mouse
Yes,
pointer?
sir. Yes, sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
the,
40.
this is
V value
V,
is 40.
40. Write it the same thing 40. Listen one, then you can copy it. Plus. Next to. Double
W capital
10. 10
10.
minus 6.
4. 4,
10
sir.
minus 6, 4. You can write it 10 minus 6
Okay, sir. Okay.
into, because now I am here, I can able to tell it. So after the 1 month, if you see it, you will get problem. No? So can you able to see this 10 minus 6?
Sir, it is 10 minus 4.
10 minus 4.
Yes, sir.
10 minus 4. I'll rewrite that one because I have a space problem for me. 10 minus 4. Now is okay?
Yes, sir.
Into, tell me now. Vi plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1.
6, sir.
Vi means 1 plus 1, 2. That is nothing but the 6. Now tell me the value. 40 plus 6 into 6. How much now?
76.
76, sir.
76. Write it here 76. Now, without 1. Here you write it without 1. Without 1. I don't know why it is coming like this problem. Even lifting of 1 or 2 centimeters also it is coming line. I don't know what to. Okay. All right. Tell me now. Somebody can tell me the formula. Without 2 means W is equal to 0 only. Comma. V is equal to 0 only. Now you have to calculate the upper bound. So now here is how to calculate upper bound is equal to Vi. Vi means 0. V is equal to 0, W is equal to 0. So V is equal to 0 means you are writing 0 plus 10 minus 0. Next to Vi plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1. How much? Arjun,
Sir,
how much?
sir, 10 only.
No, this is 10 minus 0. Okay. Next is Vi plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1.
0 plus 1, 0 plus 1.
See, without this, when I is equal to 1, without this you are taking. Next is nothing but 6 only. This is nothing but Vi plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1. How much? When I is equal to 1, this one, no, 6. So
Yes, sir.
10
6, sir.
minus 0 into 6. How much? UB is equal to 0 plus 10 into 6. How much?
60, sir.
60. Write it here 60. 2B is equal to 60. One thing I'll do it, I'll scan this and I'll send it, don't worry. Because the one more line extra came here. This is nothing but W is equal to 0, this is V is equal to 0, UB is equal to 60. Now you got 76 and 60. Which is the least one? 60 is the least one. So whenever we are doing business, we will be finding the maximum only. 76 to be considered. This is nothing but the inferior solution. So now, which one you got the less? This is called the inferior solution. Infeasible or inferior solution, you can write it.
Sir, can you explain again that one 6, sir? You got 6, no?
Huh?
Sir, can you explain me that 6 you got, no, sir, now?
So,
Anyway, right hand side anyway not required for this. I'll write it once again. UB is equal to W is equal to how much now? What is the formula? V.
Sir,
What is the
V
V
0.
value? 0
0.
plus capital W
10, sir.
10 minus
0.
0. Next, what is the
Into,
formula?
yes, sir. Vi plus 1 by Wi plus 1.
V when this is a W is equal to you don't have any notes. When you are doing this is called I is equal to first iteration. First iteration means Vi plus 1, 1 plus 1.
Okay, sir. If we go for second iteration, 2 plus 1.
Correct. Now first iteration, no, this one. This is nothing but both are called first iteration only. This is with 1 and without 4. With 4, without 4.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting
Then
what
1
I'm
plus
saying?
1. Yeah, sir.
With 4 and without 4. This is without 4. This is with 4. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now this is nothing but the 6. That is nothing but 42 divided by 7. Now this is nothing but the infeasible solution. Infeasible solution. Now we have to write it this one. So now without with 2 and without 2. With 2, another one is without 2. Now again you have to calculate the values. So with 2 means 7. Already W is equal to 4 is there. With 7, with 2 means 7 is there. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, how much?
11, sir.
11. So write it W is equal to 11 now. Comma. So now, what is your capacity?
Sir,
10 only.
capacity is 10.
10. But when you are making the combinations 4, 7, what you are getting? 11 you are getting. So is it
Yeah.
possible to take 1, 4 combination? No. So that is the reason no need to calculate the remaining values here. This is nothing but not feasible solution. Write it here, not feasible solution. Now you have to come to the without 2.
So could you please explain once again?
What is next hour you are having?
Sir, we are free, sir. Library.
Even if you get delay, no problem.
No problem, sir.
That is the reason I told you to people do it from the beginning. So try to attend from the starting of the class. Right. So I have to take one more sheets now. I'll tell you one second. I'll take new sheet. I'll come from the beginning. Right. So first, already I told you item is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. Small w is equal to 4, 7, 5, 3. So weights are 40, 42, 25, 12. So now V divided by W. This you have to calculate it. That's it. So this how you are getting is nothing but 40 divided by 4. That is nothing but the 10. And 42 divided by 7 is 6. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. 12 divided by 3 is nothing but 4. Any doubt up to here? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So whenever I'm saying VI divided by W of I, you take from the table, you take it. No need to write 40 divided by 4, 42 divided by 7, all this. These values already have written. So from the table, you take it. That's it. Okay. So don't bother for that. Whenever I am saying VI divided by W of I, that is nothing but this table, you take it. So now write the formula. Upper bound is equal to V value plus capital W minus small w into V of I plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1. Which way you want, you can write it, no problem. This is the formula. Vi plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1. Now, here is already you know that capital W is equal to 10. Now, because of the space problem, yeah, this is the problem. Because I want to accommodate in one sheet means I'll get problem. Okay. So now what I will do is, write it here. Initially, you have W is equal to 0, V is equal to 0. Now you have to calculate the upper bound is equal to, shall I take one more sheet? Spurti?
Yes, sir.
I'll take one more sheet calculations. I'll write it the next sheet so that you will not get any confusion. This is one. Okay. So one value I'll write it in the next sheet. So you follow the same way so that you will not get any confusion. All right. Now tell me the formula. Tell me the one formula. VI is equal to UB is equal to
VI plus
V
W minus W. VI
V
plus 1
plus
by
1
WI plus 1.
W of I plus 1. Correct now. Now tell me from the table here. You can write it down or whatever you want. V value is how much here? In this?
0, sir.
0. Write it the same. You only tell it so that you will not get any confusion. 0. Plus capital W how much?
10, sir.
10. Small w is how much from that box?
0.
0. So now here is you write it v of 0 plus 1 divided by w of 0 plus 1. That is equal to 0, 10. This is nothing but v1 divided by w of 1. That is equal to 0 plus 10 into v1 divided by w of 1. Already you have calculated. How much? v1. This is nothing but you take it. This is called v1 and w1. This one. So 40 divided by 4. How much you have done?
10.
10. That's it. Write it 10 here. This you can write it from table. Any doubt now this?
No, sir.
Okay. So now that is equal to how much now? 100. Correct now. Now first one is nothing but the 100. Now I'll write it the same here. For me, bit difficult here. Changing the sheets, all those things. Subscribe is not easy for me. Now UB is equal to alignments also sometimes it will change. Now how much UB is equal to?
100.
100. Now what you have to do is like brute force techniques you have done it. No. So combination sets you have done it. One is called one you take it with one and without one. So two combinations you have to do it with one and without one. Write the boxes for this. With one, another one is called without one. So with one means what is the W of 1 here?
4, sir.
Now write it 4. W is equal to 4. V is equal to how much?
40.
40. Write it that one. Here also tell me. Without means you are not considering 1. So if you are not considering 1 means previous values only to be taken. W is equal to 0. V is equal to 0. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Now you make it, this is 2, this is make it 3. Okay. Now two calculations I will do it in the next sheet. That means if you have space you do it there only, otherwise go to the next sheet and do it. Whatever you want, this one. If I am writing there everything you are getting confusion. I want to make it this one neat, but it is going wrong. What is there? What to do? Okay. Now second one. Second one is, tell me now, according to the formulas, V is how much now? You tell fast, yeah.
40, sir.
So V is 40.
40. Write it now. UB is equal to 40. W is 10. W capital W 10 now. W is equal to how much now there? Spurti.
Sir, it's 4.
4. Vi plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1 from the table. That is nothing but V2 divided by W2. That is equal to 40 into 6 in, tell me, V2 divided by W2. In the table you can see and tell me.
6, sir.
You can write it from table. How much now?
6.
The calculations tell me. 40 into 40 plus 6 into 6.
26, sir.
40 plus 36. How much? 76. Now similarly tell me Spurti for third one. UB is equal to without.
0
W is
plus
equal to how much? 0.
0.
Next 10 minus V. You see here, this one, W, this one. Okay, capital W is nothing but this one. That's it. Now tell me, 10 minus
0, sir.
0. V2 divided by W2.
6, sir.
6. Shall I write it directly or V2 divided by W2? You write it one more step if you have doubt. So 10 into 6, that is equal to 0 plus 60, that is equal to 60. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Okay. Now come to the table. Write it here. So now you have to write it here. How much you got? First one, 70. UB is equal to 2. I don't have
76.
76. Write it. Now here
60.
60. Which is the least value?
60, sir.
60. When you are doing business, what you will do? Which one will be considered? Maximum profit
Maximum.
only. So 76. So this is nothing but infeasible solution. Now what you have to do? With 2 and without 2 you have to go. With 2. With 2 tell me, yeah. With 2 W is equal to how much? So that means already 4 is there. Now with 2 and say with 2 means include this one now. You add it both. W 4 plus 7, how much?
11, sir.
11. 4 plus 7, 11. Comma. V is equal to, add it both. Here 40 is there, with means this one, 42. 40 plus 42.
Sir, it is the infeasible solution.
82, sir.
Okay, correct. No, I'll write it that one. Then I'll go for that one. Shall I write it? Or you can give blank 82 because when you are getting W, so that value is not required, put the hyphen. Now why it is infeasible solution? Because capacity is 10. Capacity is 10. So we got value is 11. So that it is crossed the maximum capacity. Okay. Now, without 2. Spurti,
Yes, sir.
is it clear now?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Now without 2 means, so you are not including this. If you are not including this, previous values only to be copied. It's similarly here. Now what is the W value to be copied here? Without 2. So previous values to be copied. Now what is the W value here?
4, sir.
Now W is equal to 4. Where V is equal to
40.
40. Now you have to calculate and tell me UV bound. Shall I write it here only or I'll move to the next sheet? Okay, I'll move to the next sheet only. So put the heading number here is 4. Now tell me, UB is equal to, what is the values? V. Fourth one. Should not take much time, yeah. Here only tell V is equal to 40. How much here? 40. UB is equal to 40. Now the values is nothing but 10 minus V, formula is nothing but what is that, small w 4 into Vi plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1. So Vi is nothing but when I is equal to T, 2, third row to be considered. That is nothing but the 5. So that is equal to 40 plus 6 into 5. That is equal to 40 plus 30. That is equal to 70. Arjun,
Sir?
clear?
Yes, sir, I did that.
Okay. Spurti,
Yes, sir.
you got it?
Yes, sir.
What is, sir? You are not responding then.
So there is a network issue here. That's why I'm responding, but you're not audible. Yeah, there is a network issue here.
Okay. So that was the problem. Many people are facing the same problem.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. So other person can say, now you got it 7. Now move to the table and write it the 7. Same problem only you'll be getting in the examination. If they are giving in this unit these 3 problems, whatever I'm solving, that one only will get it. Now UB is equal to how much we got? 70, no?
Yes, sir, 70.
Now
Yes,
what
sir.
you do is with 3 and without 3. With 3, without 3. Now tell me Spurti, with 3 means W is equal to how much? Add the W 3 values for the W.
So we get W is 5.
Now add it and tell me both. With 3 means for 4 you have to add with 3. This
9,
one is
sir.
huh?
9.
9, right? V is equal to. Add it to the
So,
values also, add it.
so we get 65.
Yes, madam. And now similarly you tell me here without 3. Same thing, copy it, previous values. W is equal to
4 and V is 40.
V is equal to 40. Now I hope clear for you also. All right. Now you have to calculate the this one. What is that? I'll put the number is 5 here. This is called the 6. Now I'll move to the next sheet and write it the 5. Tell me UB 5. V.
65, sir.
Very good. 65. 10 minus
9.
9. Very good. Now next. Next value. Vi plus 1. Third means fourth one, you see the last value in the table.
4.
Madam, here what is the formula? W of I plus 1. No? This is nothing but with 3. No, if you write it with 3 here also, no problem. This is with 3.
We get 4, sir.
That's all. 4 is with 3 means I is equal to 3. So I is equal to 3 means I plus 1 means 4. Fourth one Vi plus 1 divided by W of I, already we have calculated here 4. That's all. From the table you can see and tell it. Tell me now. 65 plus 1 into 4. That is equal to 65 plus 4. That is equal to 69. Now UB is equal to without Without 3, tell me. UB is equal to, without what you told it, without 3 is there, no, tell me V value.
40 plus 10 minus 4 into 6.
This value will not change, Vi plus 1 means when I is equal to 3, 4, V4 divided by W4.
Yes, sir. 4 only.
4 only. Now tell me. 40 plus 6 into 4. How much?
64, sir.
64. Now which is the least value in this?
Without 3. That is 64.
64.
Four.
So which value to be considered?
69 to be considered.
69 to be considered. Write it now. Write it here now. Where is the sheet? So much difficulties for me changing using Skype. Now tell me, sir. Now the with 3 is how much you got there? 69, no?
Yes, sir.
Write it 69. Here
64.
64. This is nothing but infeasible solution. Now here is with 4 and without 4.
Sir, with 4 is an infeasible solution.
Wait. With 4 means what will happen? W is equal to
3 plus 9, sir. So it will become 12.
9
So
plus
it
3,
is
12.
infeasible solution.
So infeasible solution. Infeasible solution. Next here, without 4, W is equal to 9 only. V is equal to 65 only. Now this I will tell you. Tell me sixth one without 4. Tell me UB is equal to how much? 65, no?
65 plus
Plus
1 is to
that is nothing but tell me the value. 10 minus
9, sir. So
10
1
minus 9
into
Vi plus 1 divided by W of I plus 1. Now I is equal to 4 only we are having. Do you have next value?
no, sir.
No value. So to be considered 0 when you don't have. So now what will happen? 65 plus 0, that is equal to 65. 65. So now come to the problem. Now whatever upper bound is equal to how much now?
Sir, 65.
65. This is what the optimal solution. Optimal solution. So still if you have any doubts, please let me know this. Scribe using be very difficult, I'll tell you, but that also moving 1 or 2 sheets. Suppose if I am not moving cursor here, another page will be written. So that is the problem. I hope now it is coming clear, neatly only, no problem. So any doubt now? If you have doubt, please tell me now. So numbers you put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is nothing but this one. So that is nothing but the here. So calculations, how you got 676, how you got 60, how you got 70, how you got 69, 64, 65. All these values are here, and these numbers you put it here because I don't have space. Otherwise, the board means I used to write it here only according to the formula, left hand side and right hand side. So board means I will be having more space there, I can use it. But here only sheets, that also if I write it small words, it may not be visible for you people, and I have to write bigger letters, and accommodating in one sheet is a bit difficult. Is it clear now? Anybody is having doubt, please tell me now. I'll tell you which statement. If you are having doubt, please tell me. Any line, if you're having doubt, please ask me. So I'll tell you, because the problem is given item 1, 2, 3, 4, W values, VI values. Sometimes these values will give us, they will be giving, sometimes they will not give it. Don't bother for that. 10, 6, 5, 4 is nothing but this divided by this. 40 divided by 4 is 10, 42 divided by 7 this one, and 25 divided by 5, 5, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now you need to calculate the upper bound values. W is equal to initially, when iteration, first iteration, I is equal to 0. That means W is equal to 0, V is equal to 0. You need to calculate the upper bound. So upper bound formula is nothing but, have written already, V is nothing but 0. So W is nothing but 10. Minus small w is nothing but, you don't have any value, that is called 0. So 10 minus 0 is nothing but 10 only. Vi plus 1. So I is equal to 0. This is nothing but the W is equal to 1. I is equal to 0 means 0 plus 1. V1 divided by W of 1. So V1 divided by W1 is nothing but this one. So that is, even if you want, if you have space, you can write it here. V1 divided by W1, V2 divided by W2, V3 divided by W3, V4 divided by W4. If you want, you can write it here also, so that you will not have any problems. That's what I have written it here also. That is nothing but V value is 0, 10 minus 0, 10, and Vi divided by W of I plus 1. That is nothing but 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, V1 divided by W of 1. That is called the 10. So that means what will happen? 10 into 10, that is equal to 100. Any doubt now? If you have doubt, please ask me. I'll tell you once again. Shall I stop?
Sir.
I'll give you one homework problem. You have to copy it and do it.
Sir. Hello. Hello. Sir.
Right, sir. Whatever they will give, don't bother for that. This is nothing but the small w weights. V is nothing but the small. Capital W is nothing but this. See, you have to solve the problem, then only you will understand. If you are not solving, I am helpless. I am telling you, it's important problems only. You can see the question papers, whatever I have solved, maximum the problems only will be coming. Either whatever I have given homework or whatever I have solved in the class. If you are not solving, I can't do anything. So erase this, whether it is possible or not, I don't know. Okay, don't consider this and this one only. Answer is from here only, because you people asked me to solve once again. That is the reason I have done it from here. So this phase don't consider. Not wrong, repetition, that's all. Don't consider this. I'll send PPT, this one, PDF also. Because if people asked me to solve it, no, that is the reason I solved it here. Okay, save. ADA underscore 25 underscore 11. Right. Tell me the attendance. 1,
Present, sir.
2. Where is 20? One second, I made this PDF, otherwise I forgot this.
Sorry.
1 minute, 1 minute here. Right. Because once if I make PDF, it will be available there. Right. I mean, tell me 2. Abhinav. 3,
Present, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6. Arjun.
Sir, 7. My
8. Ashok. 9. Ashok absent. 9, 10,
Present, sir.
11.
9 present, sir.
Present, sir.
Why you people are not responding when I am calling? Huh? You will be doing some other business, so you will not understand. That's all. When I am calling, you are not responding. I am calling you 10 means you will say 7. I will not give attendance. I am telling you if you are not responding properly. When I am calling, you should respond. You make it to 2. When I am calling 8 only, you make it 10 also. Mic on. What will happen? Disturbances comes also, nothing will happen. We are not taking class now. Mark me every day is like that only you are. One day means I can give you. Benith also same thing. Right. To 11,
11 present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23, Kavya,
23 present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Yes, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
Why, Manisha, you are not attending class regularly? 27,
Yes, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Yes, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
TD series 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
6 present, sir.
7,
7 present, sir.
8,
8 present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11.
Yes.
Please wait
Sir.
some more time, all of you don't leave the class. 11,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, present sir, 14,
Yes,
14,
sir.
15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22, 23. Right. So see, another 2 hours. You should
Present, sir.
maintain the timings. I'm telling you. See, now today you have 4th hour free. I took 10 minutes extra. So otherwise, 1 hour exactly it will take for me to solve the problems. So you 9:30 means 9:30 Friday. Try to attend. Then only I can able to complete assignment problem and transportation problem properly. If you are not cooperating timings, what I will do, I will move bit fast. So what will happen finally? You will not understand. That is the problem. So you have to maintain the timings. 9:30 means 9:30 you attend another 2 hours. Then okay, theory when you are having for 1 or 2 minutes delay also nothing will happen. If you have problems, one step if you are not understanding, the remaining steps will not be understanding one. That you need to maintain the timings. That's all. Another two problems, important problems are there. The two problems, next 2 hours I will be telling that you maintain the timings. That's it. Afterwards, left to you people. So almost another 4 hours. If I take syllabus, it will get over 4 to 5 hours maximum. Actually, two problems over means over only. So afterwards, just theory only. Okay, sir. You can leave.